Now welcome to your beautiful home. MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new east-facing corner house and lot for sale located near Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. So here are views of this modern and spacious home, and join us as we begin this property tour. Hi, before we begin, if you want quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 6-bedroom corner house and lot for sale located in a safe and secure community near Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this well-designed home. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has a floor area of 500 square meters and a generous lot area of approximately 611 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 6 carport, a swimming pool, a lanai area, an entertainment bar, high ceilings, a main kitchen and an auxiliary kitchen, a maid's room, a driver's room, a laundry and service area, and all this on a prominent corner lot, and all in a master plan community just 15 minutes away from Alabang Town Center. Now let's begin the tour. Upon entering the home, you're welcomed by a spacious garden area on your left, and generous parking for 6 cars on your right. The front of the home is facing the east side of the property, so we're shooting this in the afternoon and it's very cool here in front. You can see that you have your driver's room over here and you have an access door leading to the living space, and over here to your right you have laundry space and your maid's room. And from here, let's head down in to the main entrance. Now welcome to your beautiful home. The entrance hall has a high ceiling and large windows, and what immediately strikes you upon entering the home is how bright, open, and welcoming it is, with the white walls and warm wood tones. From here, you're immediately welcome to your spacious living area. The living space is a dynamic hub of activity for the home, with 2 large sliding doors, one leading out to a spacious lap pool and another one leading out to an entertainment area and your garden space. Let's take a look. Your lanai area has more than enough space for a large table for al fresco dining. You also have this great mini bar area where you can have a couple of stools to entertain guests. And you can see that you have an area opening up to a spacious lap pool, which currently, since the property just finished construction, is under maintenance. And from here, we can take a look at the large garden space
which gives you an idea of how generous a 600 square meter corner lot area is. So imagine walking out in your lanai space through your alfresco dining area, seeing family and friends, having a great time in your swimming pool, and then opening up these sliding doors leading into your living space straight to your main dining area. Your main dining area is spacious such that you can easily fit a 10-seater table over here, and you have beautiful cove lighting. It's facing the west side of the property, so it's cool in the mornings, and you also have a great view of your swimming pool from here. And you have these sliding doors leading to your main kitchen. Your main kitchen is well designed with a beautiful island countertop over here where you already have an Elba cooktop. You have a provision here where we are going to place a range hood in the middle of the room, and you have a lot of storage space all around. You have your provision here for a large refrigerator, and you have this door here leading to your pantry space. Since you have these sliding doors, you can do heavy cooking here with no worries of the smell going out. And from here, you have this door leading to your auxiliary kitchen. From the auxiliary kitchen, the main kitchen, the dining space, and your main living room, let's now take a look at your first bedroom. The polished wooden parquet flooring is consistent from this room to the 5 rooms upstairs, and it gives the rooms a very cozy feel. And from here, you can see that all the rooms have a split type air conditioning unit and also very well lit with high ceilings, and you have this sliding door leading out to a bathroom.
The bathroom also has access to the side of the house if you'd like to use it as a changing room for the swimming pool area.
Rounding out the entrance area of the ground floor, you have this door leading to a storage room. You have this other door leading out into your main carport area. And now it's time to take a look at your second level where we have 5 rooms. Let's go! Welcome to the second level of this home where you have 5 bedrooms, and you're welcomed by a spacious hallway which gives you 2 terraces, one giving you a view of your entrance hallway, and on the other side, you have a view of your swimming pool area and your main living space. And now let's take a look here at your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is spacious with a high ceiling, beautiful cove lighting, a split type air conditioning unit, and uniquely designed windows such as this corner window which maximizes the light but minimizes the sun exposure in the afternoons. It also gives you a great view of your garden and pool area, and you can easily fit a king-sized bed and even a small sofa set on this side of the room. And from here, you have a spacious walk-in closet and master bathroom. And now let's take a look at the next bedroom. So we can consider this the third bedroom. The third bedroom has a high ceiling. The master bedroom has a higher one, but this one is still about 9 feet high. And from here you can see that you have custom cabinetry built in, a large window letting in a lot of light. You have a provision here for your own personal choice for your light fixture in the middle of the room, and you have your own solo bathroom. Right beside the third bedroom is the fourth bedroom. The fourth bedroom stands out because it's a corner room facing the front of the property, and you'd also notice that all the windows have these screens because it's quality PVC design with a wood grain texture. And from here you also have a beautiful custom cabinet at the corner of the room and your own bathroom. This central second floor hallway is a unifying element in the house because from here you actually have a view from almost every point of the home. You have access to the 5 bedrooms and you can literally see almost every part of the house from here. And here you have your 5th bedroom. The 5th bedroom enjoys a front view of the property. It's also a corner room like the 4th bedroom. It's generously spaced. You can easily have a queen-sized bed in the middle of the room and have more than enough space for a study table over here. It also faces the east side of the property, so this enjoys the morning sun. And it also comes with its own bathroom. Let's now take a look at the 6th bedroom. The 6th bedroom is unique because it has a great view of your swimming pool area from here, and at the same time it doesn't have its own bathroom because it was primarily designed as an additional living space, family area, or home theater. But you can also utilize this as an additional bedroom if you'd like. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 6-bedroom house and lot for sale located here near Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. Now check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 6-bedroom corner house and lot for sale located here near Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube, and get in touch with us to our email and number in the description below. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this brand new spacious corner house and lot for sale near Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.